Under the Settings tab, you can set up all the parameters needed to manage your site. In particular, we're going to see the basic setups of the plant. Let's have a closer look. When you click on Site, you'll find your plant name, location and site identifier. There is an API key, which is useful when you would like to export a CSV report or create a performance indicator parameter. Here it is also possible to edit plant information in accordance with your user role. Then, Documentation allows to add documents into the platform and visualize all of them here with author and date. Under Subscription, you can visualize the subscriptions, add-ons and expiration dates. At the top right, there is a redeem code and marketplace icon. By clicking on the redeem code, you can enter your voucher code and your subscription will be available in a few minutes. And with one click, you can visualize the marketplace.